Please don't give me. Stop! 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 Stop there!
What did you do to them?
I did nothing to them. They want to kill me.
What did he do to you?
We are hunters. We were sent by our elders to get human heads to bury our king. Please forgive us.
We are very sorry, Dogunwai. Please forgive us.
You come to my land in search of human heads for rituals? How dare you! I ought to kill you right now!
Please spare our lives. Let's go back to our land. Please.
Do not kill us, please.
I will spare your lives.
Thank you.
Go home. Tell your people that my people are special and will not be used for rituals. Go home!
Thank you. Thank you.
Who is she?
I don't know her, but if not for her, I would have been dead by now. She rescued me from those men that wanted to kill me.
You went in search of Udara fruits. What happened?
Mama, it's a long story. It's a long story.
He was almost killed by some headhunters. You should keep your eyes on him.
Thank you so much for rescuing my son. But what?
I am the Jalawine, the queen of the jungle. Take care of your son. He has a great future.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. There is a difference between mortals and immortals. You know the stuff I am made of. I warn you. Tell this to anyone and I will kill you. Don't give me conditions, because I am not scared of you. Your instructions aren't for me to obey. You are not worthy to live. Please don't kill me! Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey. Hey. Chimo. Why is Chelawai appearing in my dream? Huh? Moreover, she warned me not to tell anybody about it. Hi. Chelawai, you are a terror. Dead or alive.
What is happening? Hey, what is going on? Confusion everywhere. Why it is happening? Why it is happening? What is really wrong? Onye whoa, Onye kemechara, onye ga-azọpụta obi eze. Gịnị na-eme? Gịnị What is happening? Who will save this family? Royal family. Gịnị na-eme? Gịnị na-eme? Palace on fire.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings. Greetings, my queen. I hope you slept well.
Yes, I did. Make sure you scrub those edges very well.
Yes, my queen.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings. Get me something very chilled.
Okay, my queen.
Kobe,
Yes, Your Highness.
is it not obvious to you that the cars are looking very dated?
I watched them later, my queen. Yes, Your Highness.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings.
I'm happy to be in your presence. Your wish is my command.
And you? Go and see if the breakfast is ready.
Alright, you called me. So it's your time for you to ask me a question.
My question goes to you like this. What would you like to be in the future?
I want to become a lawyer.
God forbid! You should inspire to study something more lucrative than law.
Law is very lucrative. Alright, which profession is more lucrative than law? Tell me!
Medicine is more lucrative than law, and that is what I will study. As for me, I don't want to be a lawyer. I want to be a medical doctor.
Look at you. So you don't know lawyers are smart and brilliant more than doctors?
That's a lie. Doctors save lives and are more important. If you're still arguing about that, let's go ask Mom. Then let's go.
These kids are very intelligent. You can say that again. They will be a blessing to their family. That's true, my dear.
Mommy, we were arguing about something, so I want to ask you the question.
What were you both arguing about?
Doctors and lawyers, which are more important in the society?
Both. Both are very important in the society. So why do my princesses argue about this?
I told her that I want to become a lawyer so I could defend the undefended and ensure fair justice. But she said doctors are more intelligent and brilliant than lawyers.
Mom, I said so because doctors heal the sick and save lives. It's not just a profession for people who are not smart, brilliant, and intelligent. Moreover, life is more important than having fair justices.
Okay.
Life is lifeless without law or justice.
It's alright. Both are very, very, very essential. Okay?
You are welcome, Your Majesty.
Did I assign you to be at the gate today?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, I can't explain.
You dare talk when I haven't asked you? Leprosy!
Your Majesty.
Give this idiot a knock.
Yes, my Majesty.
Don't pick your cap. Put it back on your head. Now talk.
Your Majesty, the Queen asked me to wash those cars.
The Queen!
Yes, Your Majesty.
I give you an order. The Queen says otherwise. You violate my order. Whose voice is supreme?
It is yours, Your Majesty.
What is my word? You know my words are law. Shut! What is my word? Adama! Adama!
Your Highness, breakfast is ready.
Breakfast is ready. Come on, let's go eat. Let's go have breakfast.
Adama!
Father, you're back. Father, you're back.
My lord, you met us well. Please join us, Papa.
You know how much I hate my instructions and others being twatted, and yet you violate them. Why are you getting on my nerves? Why?
What did I do?
What did you do? What did you do? Who asked Covey to leave his duty post only to go wash cars? You?
My lord, I noticed the cars were dirty and I know you won't be happy to see them that way. So I had to instruct him to do so. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry if it got you upset. Please.
Daddy, come and join us. Daddy, the aroma of the food is delicious and I know you'll like it. Yes.
My lord, please join us for breakfast.
You still have the mouth to talk. Join you for what? Stupid breakfast. How about a son? How about giving me a son? I do not want breakfast. I want a son. Give me a son. Little much to ask. Give me a son that will sing on this throne. Give me a son. Give me a son that will sing on this throne when I join my ancestors. Give me a son. That's my appetite. Give me a son. Give me a son.
Mommy, it's okay. Mommy, don't cry. If you cry, you're going to make us to cry.
Go have your breakfast, okay? I'll join you guys later.
No, I want to stay with you. Yes, we want to stay with you.
Give me a son.
That's how it happened. I can't remember the last time I discussed with my husband politely as couples.
Just calm down. Oh, calm down. Chidebe is my son. I'll speak to him. Oh?
You are the Queen Mother. If Iwe Chidebe can hearken to your voice, then whose voice will he listen to?
I will summon him. Summon him before this time tomorrow. Things will turn around. Okay?
Thank you, Queen Mother.
You're welcome. Please help me tell my grandkids to come and see me. I haven't seen them today. Okay?
I will do that.
Cheer up. Everything will be fine. Oh?
Thank you, Queen Mother.
Okay.
Who are you and what are you doing here? What are you doing in my palace?
I am that special lady with a bleeding heart. I need your help.
You have a bleeding heart and you call yourself special. You need my help and you still call yourself special. What are you doing in my palace? How can I help you?
I have what you need. Here, take him. A baby boy. You need him in your family.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Where are you? Where is my baby? Where are you? Please. Can I have my baby, please?
No, you can't.
Why? You told me and you gave it to me. Please, let me have him, please. Please.
Not anymore. I changed my mind.
Please do not change your mind. Please. Please give him to me, please. Please. Please, I beg of you. Give me my boy, please. Give him to me, please, I beg you. Let me have him, please.
Any day you have this baby, you will die. Do you want to die?
I do not want to die, but let me have my boy, please. Please. Give him to me, please. Please. No! No! No!
My king, what is it? Are you okay? The dreams again?
Yes. The dreams again. But this time it's terrible.
What was it about?
Take your hands off me. What was what about? Do you now interpret dreams? Give me a son, you refused. Now you talk about dreams. Probably you're the cause of my dream in the first place. What are you doing here? Go back to your room. You know, let's go. Get up. Go. Move it. Move it. Move it. Out of my room. Get out. Give me a son. A son. I'm not asking more. Just give me a son. Move it. Out.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
You go greetings. Greetings, Your Majesty.
You two come here. Rule number 15.
No gossip in the palace.
Rule number 15.
No gossip in the palace, Your Highness.
What is my word?
Our law, Your Majesty.
You know my words. Or law. You violate them. Why do you always want to see the best in me? God forbid Take 5 of this bullshit. Put them under the sun. Let them face the sky. Remember to face the sky. Come. Lie down! Run. Run to Onowu's house. Let him know that I need to speak with him. Right now. Hamatan.
Your Majesty.
Go back to the gate. COVID!
Yes, Your Majesty.
COVID. Keep an eye on the palace.
This boy. Where are you rushing to?
Old woman, I'm on an errand to Onowu's house.
Oh! He calls me old woman. That means you find me attractive. You are blind. You keep searching for a black goat. Well, search during the day, because in the night, you will not find it, because it will be too dark. You're a blind man. Get out of here.
It's you that is blind.
Huh? Even your darkness has made you blind. Day, night, blind, or whatever. Are they the same? I ask you, are they the same? I see you all in the spirits. Ugly human beings. Come and take some of my holy water. Aye, aye.
Queen Mother, you haven't told me what drink you want me to get for you.
I need something light, preferably a beverage drink we do.
Alright, Queen Mother.
Get it and hurry up to the kitchen and see if the food is ready, okay?
Alright, Queen Mother.
What is that?
Mother.
Yes.
Mother, I have tried. I have tried to pretend, but nothing has changed.
What is it this time around?
Mother, I noticed my husband couldn't sleep. Last night I overheard him shouting and I went to his room to know what the problem was, and then he sent me out of the room. Mother, my husband doesn't communicate with me. I have complained to you severally and you promised you would do something, but yet... Mother, I am tired. I am tired of everything. I don't know. Is there something you're not telling me about my husband? Please.
Calm down, my daughter. Calm down. I am confused too. I don't know what is wrong with my son, the king. Like I promised, I'm going to talk to him And I assure you this time, things will surely change. Okay? Okay?
Girls, from my observation, Digwe doesn't look happy. And she remarked with him. How did you know? It seems you are the only maiden in this palace that has not noticed that Digwe is not a happy man. I have not noticed though. Maybe it's because of my regular duty post in the kitchen.
But come to think of it, what could make Igwe look so unhappy? He's wealthy and he can buy whatever his heart desires.
I suspect that is the inability of the queen to give him a male child. That should be the reason for his unstable mood this period. That's not true. He's the king. He can marry as many wives if he so desires a male child.
See, let's not talk what we don't know.
You're right. Let's go back. I'll see you later.
Is your father at home?
Yes. Is there any problem?
I want to see him.
Okay. Papa! Papa! Oh!
Yes?
Somebody wants to see you.
Leprosy.
The king demands for your presence in the palace immediately.
I hope no problem.
Oh no, I don't know. I'm just a messenger.
All right. Tell him I'm on my way. All right?
Oh no, I'll do that.
Your food is ready.
That food has to wait. My presence is highly needed at the palace.
Now, what is you? Now, you are not leaving this house to anywhere except to finish the food you made me prepare this early.
Papa, eat your food now, eh? How long will it take you to eat your food before going to the palace?
Come on, eat.
Okay. Hurry with the food.
Okay, come. Please, come and help me. Bring water for your father.
Okay, Mama.
Hurry, I beg. Some wine.
Where are you?
See, Mama, I'm here. I'm busy. Just go inside. I'll soon bring your food.
I want to stay with you and help you.
But you can't help me in that condition now. You're not only blind but sick. Just go inside and relax. I'll bring your food.
Are you mocking me of my condition?
Not at all, my husband. Oh, you can't help me in that condition now. Eh? Just go inside and relax, eh? I'll soon bring your food, okay?
It's okay. Please, be fast about it so that I can take my medications.
Okay. Welcome, ma.
Hey!
Where is he?
He just entered inside now.
The money you asked for. You don't need to count it. It's complete.
That is
Even
why
if
I
you count when you pass.
That is why I love you.
I'm giving you. It's time for you to shout.
Take it easy now.
Let's go inside.
Wait.
Hey. Let's go. I can't hold it. Let's go. Don't worry. Yeah, let's go. It's not my
Queen Mother.
Yes.
He had a nightmare. But then he refused to tell me what the dream was all about.
Then let him be, my dear. Shouldn't bother yourself about it. After all, it's just a dream.
Mother, I'm worried. I'm worried because the whole nightmare and dream stuff is disturbing him. Do you know that he even refused to have his breakfast this morning?
Really? Okay, go and tell him that I want to see him.
Mother, I'm sorry I can't. I don't want him to start thinking I always come here to gossip with you about the recent happenings in the palace.
In that case, don't worry. I'll come and see him myself. But calm down, okay?
Okay, grandmother.
I've come to know that which troubles you, my son.
I cannot remember telling you I'm troubled.
But I'm your mother. You suckled my two breasts. I ought to have some certain intuitive feelings whenever you're troubled. It's only mothers who can understand that. So tell me, my son, what is that?
I have sent words to Onowu. He'll be here anytime from now.
My son, whatever it is, I suggest you see the Ezemo.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings.
Oh no, you're welcome.
Yes. Thank you.
Excuse us.
What is it, Your Majesty? What do you want, Your Majesty?
You have an idea where I can find a good dream interpreter?
Yes, I know some good interpreters of dreams and complex mysteries. But they're in our neighboring kingdom.
How fast can you get them?
Very fast. And engaging them is quite expensive.
How much will it cost?
So much.
Very well then. Get them as soon as possible.
Yes.
Yes.
Consider it done. Excuse me, Your Majesty.
What
nearly killed me.
It's not like that. You are the one that almost killed me. Eh? So, hey, you are so sweet. I wish I am my brother every time. I will not allow you rest. One beat, you will not rest. Eh? Is that how? When am I coming again?
I'm here for you, and I can come anytime.
That's what I wish I am my brother. I will not allow you rest though.
Wait, with your brother? That one gets strength.
Don't talk that about my brother. So, I can come tomorrow. Or anytime.
No wahala.
Can I come again this night?
No wahala.
Let me go.
My food. Where are you? Evelyn.
Oh, hey, Mama.
Where have you been?
I heard you calling from outside.
Where have you been?
I went to buy mangi. Yeah, mangi.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course I went to buy mangi.
Evelyn, I perceive the smell of a stranger in this house.
Holy Ghost fire. So what are you insinuating?
You are seeing a man.
Obara Jesus. Me seeing a man. Hey.
Are you?
I'm not seeing any man though. Not at all. Or do you want me to swear?
Don't swear. Don't swear. But Evelyn, can I feel the Maggi you went to buy?
Maggi? So you still want to see the Maggi? That means you don't believe me now. After everything I've done for you. So you are accusing me of cheating on you, Abby. You are accusing me of cheating on you. After everything I've done for you.
It's okay, it's okay. Stop crying. I am sorry. Stop crying. Don't cry, eh? It's Mwanyim. Omalicham, please come.
Leave me alone. I stand by your side and I stand in your condition. This is how you want to pay me back.
Omalicham is okay. I'm sorry. Please come.
This is not fair.
Omalicham, where are you? Please come. Where are you?
Leave me alone. I'm here, leave me alone.
Please come.
Leave me alone. This is unfair. This is unfair.
I am sorry, eh? I am sorry. Please come.
If it's a joke, just stop it. Just stop it.
Okay.
Everybody knows you're a good woman. I'm not cheating on you.
It's
Even
okay.
for once.
It's okay. Please come, Omalicham. Stop crying, eh? Please come. It's okay. Stop crying, eh? Stop crying. It's okay. It's okay. Wipe your tears.
Okay. I don't like what they're doing. What they're doing to me is not good. You are accusing me. I've stayed faithful since I know you have not cheated on you.
I am sorry.
Nobody knows that I'm a good woman. How can I cheat on you, my husband?
The more they peep, the more their heads are exposed. I do not gossip, but I always talk too much. I speak the truth, Makanesio Kubundo. Truth is life.
Apa, who are you talking to?
A question has been asked, and an answer is required. Malo. Atwalo feke, ofalo banyana ofia. Emalasu iswanodo. Emarasu iswanane.
You know,
Aqua, you know what? I will not count it. Yeah? Aqua, take this money. Take it. You know, hold it, huh? Buy what you may need from it. And when you exhaust this one, tell me, I'll give you more. But please, don't let anybody hear what you know.
You think you can bribe me?
No, it's not bribe. You take the money. I just don't want anybody to hear that.
The truth can never be hidden. I will not be bribed. All I'm saying is stay away from your brother's wife.
Aqua, just take this money. It will be useful to you. Pack it.
Go with your evil. In this life, whatever is hidden in the dark must be exposed. You cannot cover evil, just like pregnancy. Leave your brother's wife Evelyn alone, oh, leave her alone. If any we are appetite.
How do you feel now? You'll be completely healed in no time. Yes, you can. But have this. Remember to take your medication at the times that you should. Return in 4 days. You can go.
Thank you.
We thank the gods. My dear, I apologize for having kept you waiting. Please lie.
Okay.
I want to take a closer look at your stomach. Your body will return to normalcy in no time.
And I'll be the happiest woman on earth if it happens.
Rise. Sit. Let me fetch you some herbs.
Thank you.
Ijele nwaanyị. Agbala nwaanyị ka ibia.
Greetings.
Hey! Look at me. I am now a complete woman. Ndeo. Hey! Ogadima, the gods are with you. You look good.
Thank you.
I am surprised to see him here. He does not believe in me. He does not believe in all that I represent.
I am sorry. I was misled by what the people said. But now my wife is a beneficiary of your good work. I believe. I believe you. I'm sorry for insulting you. Please forgive me. Please. And that is why we have come here today to show appreciation for the good work. Ijelewai, please accept this little gift from us. Please. And forgive.
I appreciate these gift items, but I will not accept them.
Why?
Why, Ijelewai? Huh? Please, accept it.
See, Ijelewai, if you truly appreciate them, you would accept it. It's from our hearts. Please, you have done a good job for us. Please, accept them. Please.
Take them to the people that have need for it. For that will make the gods happier. Also, I forgive you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Ijelewai.
Now you have seen everything I have been telling you.
Yes. But why me? Why don't you show this to someone else? I don't need them.
It is not your decision to make. Like I told you before, tell anyone about this and you will die.
Cause of our land. This train again. Why is she always appearing in my dreams? And she will always want me not to tell anyone. Really confused. I'm really confused. What will I do now? Should I tell anyone? Will I really die if I tell somebody?
Hey, Mother, are you alright? I heard you shout and I heard you talking to yourself. I hope you're okay, Ma.
I'm fine, just go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Okay, Your Highness. Boom.
What is going on? Confusion everywhere. Why this happening? Why this happening?
Hey, Oluwakoselu. Una emo fia ochichi aba. Gini na-eme? Ịgba gwakwa m eziokwu, edujikwana m, wachụbakwa m achụba m, wakpọkwa m akpọ m. Gị na-eme na be igwe, gị na-eme o ji alọ nlọ ndị a n'idoho anya. Gwa m ịbụ ife ndị ọ, what is happening? Okay. Igwe, the spirits have revealed your dream to me and they've interpreted the meaning to me.
Wise one. What have the gods said?
Baba. You can just well, what you come on dry. Oh, my what made you? Baba. What made you? At Wanamanto. Sikaki can them bone, cookie can them money. Where? My Igwe, your enemies they are working. Seriously, they are working. They go no other allow. They can abuse you. No chinabo. They work on abuse you. Look at them. Look at them. They work on atamunuchi. Look at them. They went there.
Wise one. Of course I know I have enemies. That is why he brought you here. The question is, who are the enemies and how can they be stopped?
Iwa seka ayese ko sandia onye bundia onye na weekendia onye bundia uye ozugbo afafacha. Okay, the enemies will be reviewed in due course. Well, for the solution, it's going to require a very big sacrifice.
EKE, the great witch doctor of the jungle. Do you have anything to say concerning Igwe's dreams?
Hello, Igwe.
Ihe na-esi nkapụ sie n'ime. Your Majesty, your enemies are within. But not to worry. The ghosts shall reveal them one after the other. Oh, yeah, no. Your Majesty, they never wanted you to have a male child, an heir to the throne. You have to fight them. Stop them before they stop you. No, Bona Chorego. Or go through Papa Isikayaga. Mako Isiaga Yaka na no war. That is what the gods have for you.
I want them stopped. That is why he brought you here. Go straight to the point, tell me how much it will cost. The requirement. How can I stop these enemies? I want a male child, an heir to the throne. How do I get that?
The big sacrifice. This big sacrifice will cost you 20 cows, fat cows.
Big cows.
Big cows. White rams. 40 white rams.
Big rams. In your case, it was big sacrifice.
Elders of the Igwe's Council, I have told Onowu here that I do not want to sell the portion of land that my late father left for me. But he will not let me be.
Your Majesty.
Have I asked you to talk?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
Let this be the first and the last time you talk without me asking you to. Do I make myself clear?
Your Majesty, this issue is very clear. If he decides to keep his land and not to sell it, then Olowu should let him be.
Yeah. Ichie, God bless you.
Ichie, if you don't know what to say, you shut that your mouth up.
Ebo, mind your choice of words.
Or what will happen?
Ichie, are you making suggestion to move this kingdom forward or backwards?
Are you not aware that the development of this kingdom has to be encouraged?
And Onowu, I ask you, what has this development got to do with my portion of land?
Wait.